1번은 question number 1, right? It says the passage establishes that Vida and Ted had all of the following traits in common. 그러면은 we are finding traits, 특징, characteristic in common이에요. 그렇죠? 근데 여기서 주의해야 될 것은 여러분 except. It's an except related, right? So let's look back at the passage and let's see. Just 우리가 대충 보는 것들이 뭐 여기 뭐 He watched her for signs of alarm, right? And only saw interest. Where will you put the fort? Vida asked. 뭐 이런 것들 나오잖아요. 그다음에 또 뭐 여기서 I build it by the redwoods in the cypress. Okay. 뭐 이렇게 하면서 뭐 make sure you keep the nails together and don't dig into the trees. I'll be checking. If the trees get damaged, it will have to come down. They're not really fighting, right? 그다음에 뭐 The cypress was right next to the redwoods, making it seem very remote. 그쵸? Cypress 이게 remote하고 redwoods do that. They suck up the sound and time and smell like another place. So he counted the footsteps so no one was looking to the fort. He couldn't believe it was so close. It seemed so separate, alone, especially in the dark. 뭐 이런 얘기들 하죠. 그럼 봐. 여기서 우리가 먼저 언급된 것들이 지금 우리가 뭐 생략할 수 있는 거죠. 왜냐면은 it's asking you for a except. 그쵸? 근데 awareness of what delights the other 이거 나왔죠. Making each other happy. 그 다음에 a willingness to accommodate the requests. 서로 they accept, right? 그 뭐 tree 어디다가 nail 뭐 어디다가. 근데 자, a response to elements of nature. 예, 그 tree. 엄마는 moon. 그쵸? 그러면은 C는요. Perception of what others that surfaces in humor. They don't have humor. There's no humor in this passage. So it would be C for the answer, right? Now, looking at question number 5, ladies and gentlemen, it says, what also 있어요? Which of the following best describes the difference between Ted? 자, Ted예요. 그리고 difference를 보고 있습니다. As a boy and Ted at the time he builds and occupies the fort. 그러면은 어렸을 때랑 이 fort를 할 때랑을 묻고 있는 건데 어렸을 때 부분이랑 앞에 부분이겠죠? It was his 14th summer. He was thinning out, becoming angular and clumsy, but the cautiousness, the old man seriousness he had as a baby kept him contained, ageless and safe. 우리가 when you say somebody is contained, it means that they are very controlled. Okay? 통제가 되는. That they're controlled or simply put they're very calm. Okay? calm한 사람이에요. 그래서 his humor always dry to the bone. 휴머 없습니다. Since a small child let you know he was watching everything. Right? 그러면 5번에 우리가 reference를 갔을 때 생략할 수 있는 것은 뭐예요? 일단 A는 by the time Ted builds the fort, he has lost the light-hearted manner. 뭐를 잃었습니까? 그런 얘기 없죠. A 생략해. B는 as a teenager, Ted is physically clumsier and more angular than he was as a child. But he retains the humor, cautiousness, and seriousness that distinguished him at an early age. 가능성 크죠? C는 as a child, Ted was constantly observing others for indications. 남들을 지켜보고 있었다? 아니죠. D는 as a child, 어린 아이로서 Ted was outgoing, 되게 외향적이고 in a way that applied to adults. But as a teenager, he was introspective in a way that alarmed them. 그들을 누군가를 놀랍게 했습니까? 아니죠. So the answer would be B, ladies and gentlemen. 그 다음에 7번 보겠습니다. 7번은 자, 제가 아까 communion, I said it was like some kind of connection that they had with the mother and son, right? 그럼 일단은 아닌 것들. 자, 여러분들 문제 풀 때 question 보고 바로 지문으로 넘어가기 전에 please review the notes given. I mean the answer choices. Eliminate what you can in the passage. 그럼 여기서 우리가 eliminate 할 수 있는 게 뭐야? 자, A부터 봅시다. Way that without using words, Ted communicates his disappointments to Vida. Disappointments 얘기 없었어요. 그쵸? B는 promised Ted make to himself that he would not return to the house all summer even for food. 이런 얘기는 약간에 나왔었는데 이게 얘네들이 과연 silent communion인가? 내가 집에 오지 않겠다. 음식조차도 가질러. Ted 그리고 Ted promise refers to the promise he made to himself. 자기 스스로 이렇게 한 거, 약속한 거는 아니죠, 사실. 근데 뭐 헷갈릴 수 있으니 자, C, way. To the way a thought shifted in Ted's mind from feeling like someone else to feeling like his own. 지금 feeling shift 없어요. 그쵸? A, C 버리시고 D는 exchange of warm emotions between Ted and Vida during the preparation and sharing of food. 자, silent communion이 자, 자세히 봐야 되겠죠. 여기 있죠. 자, 근데 여러분 물어봤어요. This had been. 자, 여기서 this가 뭐 말하는 거죠? I'm building a fort, sleeping out, and I won't come home for anything, not even food. 근데 this had been their silent communion. 뭐? The steady presence of love that flowed regularly. love가 flow regularly 하는데 뭐야? Daily food. 어떻게? The presence of his mother, 엄마가 cooking, his great appetite, 잘 먹어, obvious enjoyment of it, 먹는 거, his nose smelling everything. 얘가 이제 먹방맨이야. Seeing his mother more vividly than with his eyes. 그럼 7번은 아무래도 D가 맞겠죠. The shared emotion that they share with mother and son. 그렇죠? 그 다음에 10번 보겠습니다. 10번은 Ted felt, 자, 테드가 느낀 점 that in comparison to the ground floor of the fort. 자, ground floor of the fort예요. Going up to the trees to build the top floor seemed. 자, 얘가 올라가는 게 더 어떻게 느껴졌다라는 질문이에요. 그러면은 throughout the passage, where do we have the indication where he goes up to 뭐 into the tree, ground floor, top. 뭐 he began. 저는 여기를 he began to build the top floor now. 이제 왜? He built the ground floor directly with a cover of ply. 그쵸? 근데 자, well, that was okay as long as he was careful. He stacked them to one side for kindling and began to brace things in place. It felt weird going up to the tree, not as safe as his small contained place on the ground. 자, 비교하죠. 비교하고 있어요. Not as safe. 뭐만큼 안전하지 않다. 그러면 뭐겠습니까? Yeah, less safe. Less safe. Not safer. Not safer. Eliminate. Eliminate. Less safe because the place felt bigger and more exposed. Less safe because the top floor is made of cypress. 이런 얘기 없어요. The answer is H.